the 8th time it went off.
I'm never gonna finish this because
If it goes off again, I probably won't know because I'll have it.
if it goes off again, this.
Oh my gosh.
If it goes off one more time, this desk.
They need to fix that malfunction.
This desk is
Ninth. This is like the 9th or 10th time this went off.
My little pony.
We're on the phone with the fire alarm company to try to figure this out. Please disregard the alarm.
Disregard. How am I supposed to disregard?
How?
Every 5 freaking minutes. Bro.
Ignore it. Cuban. Oh my.
This desk is getting flipped pretty soon.
How you spell sandwich?
SANDWIC.
Okay, I spelled it correctly.
I want to do it a third time for some reason.
This is probably like the 11th. 11th or 12th time. Sweet.
If it goes off one more time. How'd I call it? It's because someone pulled it.
No, it's a malfunction.
It's because the first time someone pulled it.
I think when someone pulled it, it messed it up.
I'm gonna actually pull it so we all have the lead.
My music jumped me.
It's
It's loud.
Alarm's gonna tell me.
Because it's loud. My music is very loud.
Can I see it?
Med.
Let us put over this fire alarm.
Stupid. Oh, look at that.
Med.
Who is it? Boo.
I don't know. Bill! You should color that guy.
Oh, fucker.
What? Pick it
Can
up.
I go get it?
You know
Go bring that
Three
back
has
paper
work
up, please.
too. How do you know?
Do you have paperwork?
I'm actually about to go insane right now.
If that goes off one more time.
If it goes up one more time, I'm running through the door.
Yep. Calling out that window.
I'm gonna throw a chair through the window, making it break.
You should know how to do this. Look at this. Alright, let's do it. 6 over
I
9
hate putting
times
it.
9 over 3. What can cancel out?
Cancel out?
Well, that's what I
You
call
just have to do a cross.
it. No, here's an easy. You haven't learned how to cross.
And Cuban.
Like
Cuban
9
off.
and 9
That's a
can be
Cuban
simplified to 1. 3 goes into 6. 6 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 6 twice.
We're not doing that. We did that, but it's not like one. All you have to do is just multiply.
It's
Who's
so much
coming?
easier.
And then
Who did that say they were gonna talk to?
The fire alarm
I don't
system
know.
thing.
fire department
People.
company. The fire alarm company.
6 over 9 times 9 over 3.
That
What's
doesn't
not
look
6
like
times
fire
9?
alarm.
It doesn't help that those things are like 50 years old. Oh my god.
I bet they're older than
4.
50.
What's 9 times 3? Boom.
I bet they've probably been here since.
Okay, what can I do simplified by?
We already know what the answer is gonna be. It's like
954.
Punch her in the head, make her go dirt, dirt. Good.
Wait, 900. 5. 6.
Nine goes into 27. You're so dry.
Like this?
Okay, 6 can 3 can be simplified by what? 2 can be 6 divided by 2. No.
How come we have 2 soccer fields?
It needs to be simplified by 3.
How come we have 2 soccer
6 divided
fields?
by 3 is what? What's 6 divided by 3?
How can we have 2 soccer fields instead of 1?
If she 284, never mind.
There's one behind the school and then right in front of the school. Why?
Do you not? How do you do it?
And then you simplify. What's the...
You just put my-
My dog is
Yeah.
put it in her face.
Mrs. Swallow taught me.
Punch her, make her go.
Okay, then I'll erase it.
And Maddie, your dad's here.
Okay.
Okay.
So they're not teaching you how to
Do you have any
do
whiteboard?
the door here. Let's get out and
Do
just play the rock.
you have any whiteboard? I have to go to the
I'm guessing it was canceled. No, it was practice was canceled because Dad only said he's gonna pick us up then if it was canceled. Oh my god.
You have to go back down to your room, or you guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to plug our stuff in.
When the fire alarm goes off, it shuts the doors,
It does.
but we can go through the office. and-
I just learned that.
Why'd they shut the door?
I never knew that.
Because when the fire alarm goes off, it automatically does it.
Why it
Yeah, you
doesn't
wanna
let
come
anyone
over
go
here?
out?
'Cause
True. It could be a I don't know.
Do you need to take anything to your room? Jacoby, put it right on the chair. I'll take it.
That's loud in the hallway.
Yeah, I might have to take your stuff down.
Wait, no, keep the door open. Keep the door open. Keep the door open. The fire alarm thing is like messed up.
We weren't sure.
Okay, I need to give him this key though.
Okay.
Who?
Ginger down there.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Thank you. For you. Good.
okay.
Yeah, you're good.
That fire alarm is so loud.
Yeah.
It's annoying. They need to fix it. 13th time. Just leave it out here. Huh? We just need to leave our stuff here. Because this is,
Yeah, sure. Oh, sorry. I thought you said it stinks out here, and I was like, what?
kind of does. That's like the 15th time.
I know.